We use specifically 3M product. The quality of the 3M product is important to us. We've had vehicle graphics out there for 12, 14 years now. You can get up to 3,000 views an hour with a vehicle on a busy road. The cost to do this, much less than doing a billboard. We're going to take you out to meet our installer. He is a 3M certified installer. What that means for you is the client is when we install your product with 3M material and a 3M installer, it's guaranteed for up to 5 years. Follow me and we'll go see Stephen. Stephen, this is, how are you doing? Here's the graphics and everything. We'll video Stephen and get this thing going.